How to structure exit strategy. Plan B is plan A. I won't give someone a bridge loan until I see 2 ways out, and hope isn't one of them. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to stress test your deal to make sure you have a way to pay your loan back if you have a flip you can't sell. Welcome back to part 2 of our bridge loan series. In the last video, we talked about when to walk away from the table on a deal. Today, we talk about how to stay alive. If your entire plan hinges on a buyer showing up in 90 days to buy your property, you're a passenger, not a pilot. Today, I'm gonna perform a stress test on your exit strategy, also known as your plan for paying the bridge loan back. You wanna buy a property to flip, you take out a hard money loan, also called a bridge loan, to buy it and rehab it. Most amateurs have a plan A, the flip. Sell the property after you renovate and repair it, right? But what if the market softens? This is where we look at plan B. If you can't sell, can you rent it? And more importantly, will that rent cover the loan payment? This is where you need to search the term DSCR. It stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. If that ratio is below 1, you won't be able to get a long-term loan from a bank to pay off your bridge loan if your flip doesn't sell. That means the rents you can get from the property won't cover the loan payment. If the math doesn't work to hold the property as a rental, what else could be your plan B? Could you move into the property and get a bank loan to pay off the bridge loan? If you're finding value in this, no BS, look at real estate lending, subscribe, and follow. Make sure you've watched part 1 of this series and get ready for the part 3 video in this series where I show you a real world rescue mission we pulled off in under 48 hours. Another exit strategy people don't think about is the equity partner. If you've taken out a bridge loan on a fix and flip, could you get a partner that could buy out the bridge loan? Strategy isn't about what happens when things go right. It's about staying alive when things go wrong, like when you can't sell your flip. In the final part of the series, I'm going to show you a deal autopsy of a 48-hour close. If you need a bridge loan with a bulletproof structure, go to highwestlending.com.